Hey guys, it's Chantal Unique and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing... Wait, what date?
Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me.
Hey guys, it's Chantal Unique and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial slash eyeshadow tutorial. If you guys are interested in watching this video, then continue on watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, push that notification bell so you can always stay notified whenever I post a video, and let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so my eyebrows are already completely done, and I'm going to be taking the NYX Jumbo pencil, and I'm using this pencil simply because I need to make my eyelids lighter. So this is going to be an eyeshadow base because I'm going to be using a lighter eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking a different brush to blend it out. I'm going to blend it all the way up into my eyebrows. And you guys, let me know if you guys want to see an eyebrow tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. If you guys like my eyebrows, comment down below in the comment section. That will be very helpful for me. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the Beauty Glaze palette, and I'm going to take the yellow color out of this palette, and I'm going to place it on the top of my eyelid, basically right underneath my eyebrow. And I'm just going to blend. And I'm also going to be building this color because it is yellow and I am a darker skin tone. So I'm going to just blend it until I like the color that I have. I'm just gonna do the same thing to this eye. Now I'm going to be taking an orange color. Basically, I'm going to be applying that right underneath the yellow. And basically, you can build this color as well, just like I did the yellow. So I'm going to keep on applying it until I'm satisfied with the color that I have. And make sure to blend it out so it won't be like harsh lines, or you can tell when your eyeshadow is stopping. You want everything to blend in right. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking I don't know why I say pinker, but I'm going to be taking a pink color, and I'm going to be applying it at the bottom of the orange. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into that same orange shade that I went into earlier, and I'm going to just blend it out even more. I'm gonna go back into that same pink shade. Okay, so with this, I want it to be darker. So I'm going to be applying a darker shade, which is like a brown. So I think I'm applying that here. I'm not sure, but I took a darker shade. I'm not sure if the clip cut out, but I took a darker shade and put it over the pink. Okay, so here I'm applying that same dark color I was talking about.
This color is more like a dark purple. I'm just applying it to the pink that I have on my eyelids. And now I have completed my face. I put my lashes on. I did my whole full face. And yeah, like, it's beat.
Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, push that notification bell so you can always stay notified whenever I post a video. Also, go check out my main channel down below. And go subscribe, push that notification bell so you can always stay notified whenever I post a video on that channel as well. Drop down in the comments what you guys want to see next, what you guys want to know about me, anything like that, you know. Drop down below, you know. Let me know. And also, you guys can go see previous videos, makeup videos, you know, that I had that weren't too good, you know, but you guys can see the improvement in my makeup and improvement in my quality of videos. I mean, if you guys are interested in seeing that, then go over to that channel and make sure to subscribe before leaving. Okay, so yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye, guys. You see me though? I look good.
It was nice like this, feeling right like this. I never really spent no time like this, huh?